Does saltwater or freshwater affect aluminum boat bottom repair? Have you ever wondered how the type of water your aluminum boat floats in can impact its maintenance? Let's break down the differences between saltwater and freshwater when it comes to aluminum boat bottom repair. Saltwater is known for its corrosive nature, which can significantly affect aluminum boats. When aluminum is exposed to salt water, it is more prone to corrosion, especially galvanic corrosion. This happens when aluminum comes into contact with other metals in an electrically conductive solution like salt water. The presence of salts in salt water speeds up the corrosion process, making it much more aggressive than in fresh water. In salt water, you might notice pitting and deterioration on your boat's hull. This is especially true if your aluminum boat is in contact with other metals. To combat this, it is essential to apply protective bottom paint regularly. This paint acts as a barrier between the aluminum and the corrosive salt water. Additionally, installing sacrificial anodes made of zinc or aluminum can help. These anodes corrode instead of your boat's aluminum, preserving the integrity of the hull. On the other hand, freshwater is much less corrosive. While aluminum can still corrode in freshwater, the process is slower and less intense. This is because freshwater lacks the salts that promote galvanic corrosion. However, it is still a good idea to use protective coatings and anodes in freshwater to prevent any potential corrosion and maintain the hull's integrity. From a repair standpoint, if your aluminum boat has been in salt water, you should inspect it more frequently. The risk of corrosion damage is higher, and repairs may involve cutting out and replacing corroded sections. This is especially true if crevice corrosion occurs, where water gets trapped in joints or foam-filled areas. In freshwater, repairs are generally less frequent and less severe. However, using bottom paint and anodes can still help extend the life of your aluminum hull. Proper hull design that avoids water-trapping crevices can also reduce corrosion risks. In summary, saltwater has a much greater impact on aluminum boat bottom repair due to its corrosive properties. This means you need to be more diligent with protective measures and maintenance when using your boat in saltwater compared to freshwater. Regular application of bottom paint, using sacrificial anodes, and ensuring good hull design are essential practices for both environments, but saltwater use requires extra attention.